Hello guys. Hello. My followers, my viewers. I want to do something today our for our my followers and my viewers. Look at me how what I'm doing. Wow, this is a good job. A good job, yes. What's that? This is a good job. Hindi pala siya didikit yung uling kapag basa. So, kaya didikit lang siya pala kapag hindi mabasa. Yung hindi basa. Kasi yung nilagyan ko ng tubig, hindi dumikit. Ayan. Good job. Oh.
Pabili nga po isang boteng mantika.
Gusto nyo bang manood?